Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today is part 4 of building the Western Hunter knife with the ZIRCOTE scales. Had a few issues on this knife, and what we're going to do today is go over and how to overcome them. And everyone can see the results of what we had. First of all, I'm not going to sharpen this knife. It was sharp out of the box. I am going to put a coat of wicked wax on it. As you can see, I've already done this once. It's the only finish it has on it. Firm believer in the wicked wax. I tell everybody to look Pete up and get some of this. It doesn't take much. Found out when I first started using this, I was wasting too much. You don't need to. I'll show everyone just how sharp this is. It didn't need any more honing. I mentioned that a friend of mine wanted to put some jimping in it. I really appreciate that. I like the way it feels and looks. If you remember, earlier I was going to build this knife. I did not like the video part of where I did the pinning. It was the very first one I had pinned. So what I did, I got another blank and used the Grip scales on it. I'll set that to the side. Yeah, I had some issues with the pinning. I didn't get this one down deep enough. And I did have a few dings in this one. And they're still there. I got most of them out with a Deco polishing kit. Also, a few other things, I usually cut the pins before I attach them to the scales. I got a little ahead of myself this time, did not do that. I laid them on this desk, had this mat up underneath it, and I didn't get them quite all the way through. And as you can see, there's still some epoxy here. I tried to sand them down to get them to show. And if you'll notice, I do have the scales with a little finer profile than on this Western Hunter. But on the upside, it does have a good feel to it. I've shown this to a few people. Everyone did like the design I put in the scales. And this ZIRCOTE wood, it's really nice. I like the feel of it. Try to do it the proper way. And I try to show how to correct them. And actually, that's what this video was about. Showing how to correct the mistakes. You can always do a little bit more. Take your time. And I did quite a bit of hand sanding on this one. More than you realize. All in all, I think the knife turned out nice. Now for a few final words. I gear these videos toward people that are wanting to build their first knife or the second or third. I do not gear them toward the professional knife builders. If I did, you wouldn't see a few little flaws in here. But make one for yourself. Be proud of it. Most people won't even know this unless they're knife people. With that said, go to knifekits.com. I'll have a link in the description box below. Till next time, stay sharp with a bearded sharpener. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.